What's up, guys? Today we're in Guam, Tumon. I want to show you this cool restaurant called Izakaya. It's a Japanese infused restaurant, as well as just some Filipino dishes in there. You'll see it in a bit. It's gonna be my first time here, but I've been seeing their stuff, so let's go check it out. All right, Izakaya is right near Mezcla Dos. This is Izakaya by Jimmy. It also is right near the old Fuji Ichiban with Tomorrow Barbecue Seafood and this Korean joint. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's also across Yokozuna, right near Reef Hotel. So yeah, let's go check it out. Very beautiful entrance. Look at that. Give you that vibe. Oh, I love it. Look at that. You even have this cool banner. Not sure what it means, but yeah, let's go check it out. Izakaya by Jimmy. All right, so this is how it looks inside Izakaya by Jimmy. Very cool vibes. We talked to one of the owners. She's pretty cool. Yeah, look at this. And this seating is cool. You can put your chair, your bag in there, and more. This is like their little bar area. I love it. They even have like anime playing. Got Ghibli. And some really cool looking bar. It's a really cool place, as well as the outside and the inside. Also, yeah, this is their sushi prep area. Pretty cool, man. Oh, they even have free Wi-Fi. Cool stuff. Very cool interior you got over here. You even got the restrooms. You got these cool curtains. Love it, man. So yeah, let's go order. This is our table here. I'll show you how the menu looks in a bit. Alright, Ella's checking out the menu. She looks hyped. She's seeing good stuff on the menu. I'll show you guys the menu in a bit. Just more of the interior for you guys. Yeah, here's how the menu looks. We got sushi cups, standard sushi cups, tuna. You got all this other stuff. Good stuff. Toro. I'm not sure toro is. I think that's like tuna. Uni is like the sea urchin. Ikura is squid. I'm not sure what those are. They're like hamachi rolls and sashimis and more. Let me go see this menu. Izakaya by Jimmy. Yo. You got a cool drink menu right here. I got some cool beers for you. Got Asahi as well, Japanese. Ooh, look at this Chuhai mix. All types of flavors. You even have hot sake and soju. Wow. And you got the non-alcoholics over here. Recommended menu. We got the pork sisig. I want to get one of those. Okonomiyaki. All that other stuff. There's even some Filipino dishes. Chicharon, bulaklak. Teppanyaki steak. Hell yeah. And yakitori. Got the appetizers over here. Oh wow, it's like a tuna steak. This one looks cool too, pork belly. Because we got kimchi, you got garlic, edamame. Wow, not bad. This is a pretty big menu. A lot of vegetables. We'll skim through them because it's a pretty big menu. You got loco moco. Not bad. Pork cutlet. Wow, there's a lot. Even yakisoba, natto, onigiri. Not bad. What else we got? We got rice and noodles menu, kimchi fried rice, omu rice. I like how they put stars. It's for like what they recommend. Oh, just chicken karage. We'll get that. Oh. Uni, tuna, wow. This menu is pretty stacked. A lot of Japanese good dishes here. Yeah. Set menu for you, got a combo with $6. And that's their menu. They even have a special menu here. Omi rice, curry fries, panko fried sashimo fish. Not bad, look at that. This place has a lot of dishes. It's pretty stacked. We'll see what we get. Alright, so we got a pretty stacked order. We have like just so much things that we ordered. So give it a try. It's the first time here. I'll tell you how it tastes, show you how it looks, and more. I'll show you how the tables look as well. They gave us some cool stuff, even like some Filipino stuff like vinegar. I think this is like spicy vinegar, not sure. We got the best Kikoman soy sauce. We got the hot chili oil, SMB, good brand, and we got the spicy pepper flakes, hachi. I'm usually used to the SMB, but they also gave us cool like chopsticks, plastic style, you know? Very beautiful. And of course, our drinks. They even gave Mikhail a cool Mickey Mouse bowl. Yeah, he's hyped on that. All right, so I got the set. So it comes with salad, soup, and of course rice. Thank you. All right, so we got, I think this is miso soup. Nice tofu inside, little seaweed, the basic one. Let's go try it. Oh wow. It's a good brand or whatever they're using for this miso soup. It reminds me of like when I eat at Yayoi-kan in Tokyo. Good stuff. Of course, we're gonna try the salad. Salad is Japanese dressing, which is I guess it's cube pie sesame seed. It's nice. Give you a big handful of it. And it has cucumbers as well. Nice. Really good sauce. Alright, we got our sisig right here. Look at that. I love it because they actually put the egg as well. Alright, I gotta mix this fast because my son's ready wanting to eat it. We got the egg. Of course, it's good to mix as well as lemon zest. It's pretty hot. Look at this. Yo, to the side of that, so we'll mix this bad boy. Look at that steam. I don't know if you can see it in the egg. Ooh. Alright, this is one of their dishes, sisig. And they all got this black pork belly with a cool cabbage dressing as well. We just got our sisig as well. Alright, I'm gonna give this sisig a try.
Alright, thank you.
Itadakimasu. Oh wow. That sisig has a good kick. If you're into spicy, you're gonna love that. I love it. Sisig good. This one is pork cutlet bowl. Spicy.
Karage bowl.
We got the chicharon bulaklak. It's a Filipino dish. I think it's like intestine, fried intestines. I'm not sure. I got the pork belly over there. And they recommend it with their homemade vinegar. We're gonna dip that and try it out. Sisig tastes like. It's good. You want the vinegar?
Okay, so we're gonna try this chicharon bulaklak. I'm not sure if that one is intestine or something. Here. Wow.
It's good? Hot?
I need the beer.
Oh. It's good? Are you gonna try that? Alright, I'm gonna give this chicharon bulaklak a try. Dip it in their homemade vinegar. Wow. Good, right? It does taste like chicharon. Very crunchy but soft as well. Eat that with rice. Alright, so this is the spicy mayo. Yeah, let's try it out. That's chicken? Yeah. Pretty good. Really good sauce too. We're just eating a lot of stuff right fast. I think we're hungry. I'm gonna take the homemade vinegar and put in this black pork belly and a good scoop of rice. vinegar here. Really good. Matches the pork. Alright, we got their chicken karage. Has a cool shredded cabbage and a lemon that we're gonna push on this bad boy. Got that zest up in there. Look at the food go. Alright, just gonna eat the karage.
Oh, hot.
Freshly made, very hot, crispy. We got the fresh gyoza over here. Fresh fried gyoza. Look at that. Nice. Look at that gyoza. It's gonna go good with a coarse soy sauce. Give this gyoza a bite. Wow. Very crunchy and fresh. Get it. Dip it in that soy sauce. Give it another bite. Okay, we're gonna try their karage. Dip it in that soy sauce. Take a bite. Goes well with rice. All right, guys, we finished. Look at that. Such a crazy one. I love this place. They even have cool little candy snacks here. See? It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if there's other flavors. Strawberry, grape, and lemon. All right, so that was Easy Kaya by Jimmy. You saw how it looked, the menu, and pretty much us eating like a mukbang. I hope you guys liked it. Catch you again in the next one. Peace. I'm out.